Hi guys, what's up? Welcome back to another video. Today we are back in my kitchen and we're going to make another recipe from the blog that has been quite popular lately. It is called Almond Freezer Fudge and it uses completely whole food ingredients. So although it is a treat, it's a nice dessert, or you could have it with some fresh fruits or vegetables. It's still super healthy, like way healthier than anything you'd find in a grocery store. This fudge is really rich and creamy. It has a ton of fiber in it, healthy fats, and is naturally sweetened with dates. You guys can find the exact measurements for this recipe in the blog post linked below. Alright, so first we're going to pit some dates. I had Parnouche dates on hand, so I ended up using a few more than the recipe calls for because on the blog it calls for medjool dates, and I have to say I do prefer those. They just have a lighter, sweeter taste to me, but you can use whatever you like. So add those to a bowl along with a cup of almonds. Add enough water to cover them and then seal the bowl with either plastic wrap or a plate or a towel. And leave this to soak overnight or at least 3 hours. We want to allow the dates and the almonds to soak up as much water as possible and become soft enough to blend. So the next day, or 3 hours later, drain off that water and add this mixture to a blender, along with vanilla extract, half an avocado, and a splash of plant-based milk. Blend that until smooth. You people with really good food processors are super lucky because doing this with a regular blender or a NutriBullet like I have is quite the workout. But in the end, we'll both end up with a nice, smooth batter. Go ahead and spread that out evenly on a parchment paper covered dish and place in the freezer for 3 hours. After freezing, you can slice into whatever sized cubes you want, and that's it, guys. You'll want to store this fudge in the freezer, and you can just take out some pieces whenever you feel like something sweet that's also really healthy. That's it for today, guys. I hope you enjoy this recipe. If you decide to make it, then please snap a photo and tag me on Instagram at savvyvegan. If you'd like more healthy vegan recipes, you can hop on over to our website and check out our weight loss meal plans that are 50% off right now, our free starter guide, recipes, and articles. Thanks so much for tuning in today, guys. I hope you have a great day ahead, and I'll see you soon. Bye.